What is up, everybody? Welcome to the first actual nice ride I've gotten. I mean, I've ridden once this year already. It was rainy and shit. I don't know if that video is actually going to go out or not, if you can see anything, but yeah, it's like 55, maybe 60 degrees. We're on the new season, baby! New season, new bike, new me. Not really. New season, new bike, same shit, hold me. Gotta learn this bike too. Tank's different, seat's different, moving on it's different, bars are different. And I'm also not gonna push super hard in corners because obviously we still have sand and salt and shit on the roads. And I don't want to be the guy who crashes their bike in the first ride, because that would suck. Ruin the rest of the year for trying to push too hard. And that's kind of the point of this. Okay. Ooh, getting into the point of this. Don't push super hard. Like, if you're someone like me, obviously we have snow, we have winter, we have riding seasons. This bike's been away for a few months. I haven't been riding in, this is March, so 4 or 5 months basically. A long time. Take it easy. If you're somebody who gets to ride year round, obviously, you have the continuation of your skill. Like, you're constantly doing it. And obviously, it's like anything. It's like riding a bike. You know, the old adage, it's like riding a bike. You will remember how to do it, but there's no reason to take a few months off, jump right back on, and think you've got to push and push and push and push. Like, get back used to it. Get back to just being comfortable on it. Take a couple days, get a couple rides. Like, there's no point in trying to go from nothing to 100% instantly. Because if you over push and you forget like this, or you're not used to, you know, whatever, and you crash on your first ride, well, you just ruined your year or a few months for nothing. So take it easy. Learn, get back into the cycle of things. Get back into the cycle of, you know, moving your body and braking and shifting. I mean, I shift all year long, but that's, you know, car shifting is much different than bike shifting. I hate that fucking hill. It literally, like, it's the perfect curvature to, like, sit you up out of your seat. It's that roller coaster type thing. Nice wide turn there, sir. Good job. Fucking into the other side of the road. It's also the thing too that, like, obviously where I live, like, again, we have riding seasons. Bikes are not a thing that are up here 100% of the time. You're not always, ooh, choppy, dude. Like this corner, look at this. How much dirt's on it. Bikes are not a thing that's on the road 100% of the time this year. Like, I went by a student driver the other day on my first ride, and you could tell the instructor pointed at me and was like, ta-da! Like, people don't, at the beginning of the season, people don't expect bikes because it's, you know, it's still cold enough to, not for people to be thinking summer, you know, they're not thinking motorcycles, they're not thinking like that kind of, so you gotta the drive defensively thing, you know, man. Drive like nobody sees you, because more than likely they might not. Putting in A mode. Standard seems to be jumpy to me. Obviously A is the more aggressive, but seems less choppy. And yes, this mirror is shit. It is broken already. I think I've moved it twice. It broke. So I've ordered some mirrors, I've ordered some levers, I've ordered some rear sets. Things are coming for this bike. Huzzah, huzzah, huzzah. And I just obviously this is one of the first videos of the year. All of you new people, I think I'm up to like 47,000, or 47,000, that'd be sick. 4,780 subscribers. all of you new people, I appreciate you coming and subscribing and watching and liking and commenting, doing all the fun things that this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out, and I appreciate it so much, man. I mean, it took me like 6 years I think to get monetized. Now we're into our, what in the fuck is happening here? I want to say we're into our 2nd year of monetization now. Like, and it's awesome. I appreciate every single one of you. Obviously, a lot of you are here from not bike content, or at least not this bike content, but yes, this is how this channel started. This is how this channel runs during the summer. If you're seeing this and you're like, hey man, where's the like motorcycle news stuff? Hey, that will also be mixed in. Obviously, this is what I do during the year when I can ride. So I appreciate every single one of you coming, watching, commenting, sharing, liking, whatever. You are the best. I appreciate all of you. And like I said, take it easy. Get back into the swing of things if you're like me and you haven't been riding in a few months. Watch out for roads covered in dirt and shit. And be safe, you know, don't crash and ruin your year early on. Work yourself into it and have some fun. That being said though, that being said, go down, comment, like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform does allow you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.